6DLF Driving Motion Simulator is composed of 6DLF Motion Platform, Racing Sheet and Racing Simulator Bracket. Users can install the display or racing steering wheel and other kits according to their requirements. Racing Simulator Motion Platform part size is 160 cm * 100 cm * 65 cm. Each angle can reach 25. Support to adapt to the market mainstream racing and flight games, including X-Plane, GCS, P3D, Microsoft Flight Simulator, Assetto Corsa, Dust and other games. Through the Allcontroller developed UDP software tool, capture the game movement data, and the UDP software developed by Allcontroller captures the game motion data and transfers it to the motion platform, which allows the motion platform to simulate the corresponding attitude of the racing car, airplane according to the corresponding attitude of the game.